Hi, this video is covering generating a proposal document. From the builder, once you go into the menu, you're going to have an option here to be able to generate the proposal document. So once you generate the proposal, you'll have a revision type here as view only. We'll leave this as view only for now since we're not ready to trigger the revision. So we'll just preview it for now to make sure we have everything where we want it. You can choose the proposal type. Your options are by category, location, manufacturer, or system. We'll go ahead and choose to sort product by location. Under advanced options, we have different features here under reporting elements. You can choose to hide the header report, hide the scope of work, cover page, the contract. We have several product display options. Go ahead and check off based on what you're looking for. And in the final project summary, where the totals are and the breakout are, you can choose to hide or show certain options as well. You can apply these to all report types. Again, if you choose to apply the settings, the report types are here. We have by category, location, manufacturer, or system. So if there's settings that you always use, feel free to check off everything and then apply it to all report types. Just the selected report type. In this case, we chose location, or you can apply it to just this report only. So that way it won't be applied moving forward. The next area we have is display systems. You can toggle these on or off to hide that systems. So if you're presenting different options, maybe they just want to see the audio video, or they just want to see lighting control, you can present both of those options to your client by toggling on and off either or. For color schemes, you want to put your color palette here, change out the Projects 360 default, or you can choose to add new ones in from here. This is where you can select a cover page image that applies to that proposal or add in a new one. Once everything's been selected, you're going to click Download Proposal Document. This will show you all your information. This is the cover page image. If you scroll down, this will show your scope of work. This will organize your product by location of what we chose for the type. And finally, your proposal summary, along with the payment schedule and the contract. Several different things you can do on this proposal. Over on the right side, we have different formatting tips to adjust the font sizes. And this is just for printability. You can toggle and show hide the proposal name, the client info, the cover image, along with presented by. If you scroll down, you can toggle on page breaks, and this is for printing. So for example, if you're in the print view and you don't like the way the page breaks are occurring, you can set those and get the information to display how you wish. Landscape mode you can adjust to as well besides portrait. Again, your page breaks you can adjust as well if you don't like the information how it's displayed. Under more settings, you can choose to hide headers and footers. This will hide the default, the very, very top here header, the document title, along with the date and time. If you toggle that off, you can see now it's removed. And you can choose to hide the color palette along your logo if you want to just leave it plain. Once you're done, instead of the printer destination, you can choose to print it or save it as a PDF. So if you did toggle on display systems on or off for different ones, this is where you would save as a PDF and then attach those to your client by email if you choose to do it by a document save. So once everything has been configured and you checked over all of your overall document, going back into your proposal options, when you click generate, you'll now choose revision type, generate a revision, and you go ahead and download that revision. So this will show you again the same revision just generated. That'll save it as revision. This is revision number 2 that we actually generated. So we'll go ahead and close this. You can choose. This will generate the proposal link for you to be able to type out any information that you want along with a link to this proposal that you just generated. And you can also choose to preview the link. This will give you an option of what this will look like when it goes to your client. This is where your client can sign. And that way, once they do sign it, you have your record. Under going back to proposal information, go back to the menu, revisions. So this is the revision the client just approved of what we triggered. So you can choose to as well approve the revision along with the client if this is the final. You can delete out any previous revisions that were generated that you don't need. But just to verify this is everything we need, we'll click Show Revision. And this is the document the client signed. So if needed and you needed to resend it to client, you can do so by using the email option. Or if you rather download as a PDF, you can, instead of your printer, choose the printer destination to save as PDF. Thank you for watching Generating a Proposal Document.